Scientists have been finding signs of water on the moon since 2009, and in 2018 it confirmed the presence of water ice on the lunar surface. Now the researchers in the two new studies have detected water at one of the largest crater formation on a sunlit surface of the moon, and also found that the lunar surface could be harboring plentiful patches of secret ice in the cold traps, which are actually the regions of the permanently shadowed spots on the moon. Well, stay tuned to Gateway to Knowledge to know how NASA finds water on the moon's sunlit surface for the first time. If you can imagine standing on the surface of the moon near one of its poles, you would see shadows all over the place, and many of those tiny shadows would be full of ice. In one of the studies carried out by the researchers to study the water on the moon using the data from the NASA SOFIA Airborne Telescope, they found out for the first time in history the water on the sunlit lunar surface. Previous works identifying water on the moon was based on a spectral signature, which is actually a distinct barcode that scientists use to identify minerals, which is reflected as a function of wavelength. But that data doesn't distinguish between water and hydroxyl group bound to the minerals on the lunar surface. Previous observations spotted a chemical signature that could denote water or hydroxyl group. But with these new observations, researchers were able to spot the unique chemical signature of water. The scientists found water near the Clavius crater, which is one of the largest crater formations on the moon. The researchers found that this water exists at around 100 to 400 parts per million. The scientists suggest that this water is likely sandwiched between grains on the lunar surface, which protects it from the environment. In another study, the researchers used data from the NASA's Lunar Orbiter spacecraft, which orbit around the moon, to study the distribution of cold traps where water could exist not just temporarily but permanently. The scientists found a wide variety of cold traps, including micro cold traps, which are as small as zero point 0.4 inches in diameter, and it gives evidence that there could be hundreds or even thousands of times of these tinier micro cold traps than the larger ones. They also found these permanent shadows at both the poles of the moon. In fact, the team of researchers found that a whopping 15,000 square miles of the lunar surface could potentially hold water. That's more than twice the area scientists previously earmarked for water ice on the moon. The interesting nature of these cold traps is that they are not just cold, shadow areas where water is more likely to congregate. They are also so cold that water or ice would be literally trapped there for incredible amount of time, and the temperature is so low in the cold traps that the ice would behave like a rock. If water gets in there, it's not going anywhere for a billion of years. Well, this new finding could provide monumental in humanity's plan to not only return astronauts to moon but also to create long-term human residence on the lunar surface as a proving ground and jumping off point to Mars. And if we are right, water is going to be more accessible for drinking water, for rocket fuel, everything that NASA needs water for. Astronauts may not need to go into these dark shadows. They could walk around and find one cold trap that is just a meter wide, and that might be just as likely to harbor ice. So this is actually a great hope for all the humans to pursue their dreams to live on moon and also on the Martian surface. To know more about such informations, do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified about my latest videos.